What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Toone TV. We just picked up the t-shirts. I was gonna record for that, but something came up. Anyway, as you can see, we got more mods from CJ Pony Parts. It's gonna be a surprise video. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up so we can get this put on and not delay. It is also Friday, which is track night, so we're gonna have another episode of track night. I'm still trying to decide if I want to piece it into this video and just include everything in to be one big long episode, or do I want to just go ahead and skip to the track. But anyway, guys, let's get to this. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is from Xlume. All it is a simple badge that actually lights up as soon as you get power to the vehicle. I'm trying to decide, do I want it to stay on all the time or like come on with the daytime running lights? I do not know. We're gonna have to find out, but first I'm gonna have to get all of these tabs off, and I'm actually gonna have to go back and watch the how to install video on this, because I do not know honestly how to do this. So, you know, it'll be my first time doing it, but I'll break out the toolbox and I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Eventually I'm gonna have to put it down and I'll show you guys how I wire it. I do know that it goes into the headlights, so just stand by. Okay, the video that I saw, we just only have to take off this top part to be able to get to the grill. But of course we have to pull these little push poppers out. Let me set these back here. Get this going. And that should be it. Now I'm gonna have to go back into this video and figure out what tabs were they saying to break off actually. So I will get back to you guys. Next we'll have to get these two bolts off. 10 millimeter, it's a 10 millimeter socket. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. I don't know how this is gonna go. So break that loose and get it loosened up. Work on this side. Anyway, guys, once I get this off, I will get back to this off. The video that I was looking at, they didn't have this black cover for some reason, and he just reached behind there and broke the tabs off with like a flathead screwdriver. I had to use mine in the front and pry right here at the top of the nose and then pull it off. You have to break the tabs off to be able to get this out. It comes with original mounting holes for it or whatever that you can use. But I pried mine too hard and cracked it. I don't know if, yeah, you can see it right here. I cracked it, but I'm not going to use the badge anyway. And really, honestly, I don't think we really need this one anymore. But let me see. Yeah, I don't think we may not need it, but I will check shortly and I'll get back to you guys. I got the badge on, except for it's not all the way hooked in. They supply you these little clips that you break off. You push them on there. It's honestly impossible for me to do this one-handed. So this is like a I don't even know what this is for, but you plug it in, you push the wires through this top hole right here at the top, and then you take these little clip-on things, and you push it in to hold the badge in place, and that's how you do it. So I'm about to install this, and then we're going to get into the wire tapping. Use an 8mm socket and just like push down on this tab just like that. You see the tab, you just put it on there and then push down with it and push it, you know, flat or whatever. But anyway, we're finna get into the wiring part. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but we're gonna figure it out. So I'll get back to you. Video was straightforward actually. You'll just tap into the hot wire, which is the purple and white stripe wire, and the thick black wire that's on the end is your ground wire, and it looks pretty good if you ask me. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the disarm button. It comes on when you open the door, and here it is. So like I said, it's a nice addition to Yeti, especially what I have going on at the bottom. It's just a different look. So, but anyway, guys, this is Toone TV. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm in the merch. They got it backwards, so I'm gonna get the correct ones also. But I went ahead and purchased these too because it's just a different look, just in case if anybody wants to swap it up. This is obviously this is what the front looks like. That is what the back looks like. Has the Yeti emblem and everything. I mean, this merch is legit, man. Big shout out to the guys in Bolivar that done this. I will eventually put a link for those guys. And but we're finna get ready to head to the drag strip. So let's not delay. This car is junky. We'll see you at the track. As usual, my luck, guys. We get here and it started raining. They're on standby right now to decide if they're gonna actually close this down. You know, close this down. They're gonna see what it does. But honestly, I think they're gonna shut it down. But they got us on standby. My homeboy hungry as usual. He heading up the concession stand. So we're just here right now waiting to be able to get a run in. But like I said, they're on standby at the moment. So we're just gonna chill and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much and you know the track will be okay. But honestly, it looks like they're gonna probably cancel us and you know just for a different day. I mean it's Tennessee weather. I mean you guys saw when I recorded earlier, it was dry as the bone. It was hot. You know it was extremely hot outside, and now I mean it's dark and about to storm. I mean that's that Tennessee weather. We can't help it. So anyway, guys, I will get back with you guys shortly to figure out what's going to happen. More than likely, it's going to be closed. Okie dokie.